things Egyptian. Talk always like Egypt. Question. What does asthma mean? Answer. Asthma is a chronic lung condition affecting people of all ages. It is caused by inflammation and muscle tightening around the airways, which makes it difficult to breathe. The curator of this dictionary decided that Kemnef may have meant asthma. Alternatively, Gemgem is to search for your breath. Interestingly, Gemla, or Gimel, is a camel in Egyptian, and they have noticeably loud breathing. Maybe J.R. Tolkien was doing a wordplay on Gimel in Egyptian when he has Gimli being told by the elves of the woodlands that he breathes so loudly. The most obvious meaning is Asthma. That is, to be feeble or weak with the lungs. This seems to be the prognosis in ancient Egypt. A descriptive diagnosis may be asmain thau, that is, breath without respiration. Da thau is to give breath to someone else, which may have been ancient Egyptian CPR. Interestingly, da would be dar in Spanish. The M's seem to be the hindrance for the air, wind, or breath that enters to correctly be utilized by the body and then respirated. Of note, flowers, hair, and cat seem to be the class of M's that may restrict breathing. The potential symbol for the lungs means to unite, and it would seem you list the two elements you will unite after the beginning sound. In regards to breathing, it seems like the first one is the owl that would make a hoo sound, and the second one is a kite, which would make a ka, ah sound. That is, to unite would be hoo ah, whereas to unite Upper and Lower Egypt would be au, or ahu, again like an owl. The breathing instructions from Egypt would be to breathe in by saying ah, and to breathe out by saying hoo. Ah, hoo. That would be hoo, ah, hoo, ah. It's worth noting that in the Gangan tradition of the subcontinent of India, the meditation sound made is ah, oo, which degrades and sounds like om. That is, meditation seems to be a breathing exercise where you first breathe in, ah, and you could add an H as you breathe out, hoo, aum, om.